Just for Year 11 methods, we're going to look at question 1 and 2 from the extended response questions of chapter 1 review. Okay, so for question 1, we're basically given a formula to convert degrees Celsius to Fahrenheit and vice versa. Okay, so question 1a is basically telling me that I've got 30 degrees Fahrenheit, I want to convert to Celsius. So I'm going to sub in 30 degrees Fahrenheit in the F, so I'm subbing 30 for F, and then all I'm doing is solving for C. So I'm going to use my calculator because this is extended response, and go to edit, get it all, and I'm going to go 30 equals 9 divided by 5. I'm going to call Cx plus 32, go interactive, advanced solve, and I want to make sure I'm in standard mode, so it's negative 10 on 9. Okay, so C is negative 10 on 9, and C happens to be Celsius, degrees Celsius. So 30 degrees Fahrenheit is the same as negative 10 on 9 degrees Celsius. B, I have converts 30 degrees Fahrenheit to Fahrenheit. Okay, B doesn't really make sense. We know 30 degrees Fahrenheit is in Fahrenheit, unless the question actually means 30 degrees Celsius to Fahrenheit. In that case, then it'll be F equals 9 on 5 times 30 plus 32. And you can work that on a calculator. 9 divided by 5, 30 plus 32, 86. So 86 degrees Fahrenheit. That's obviously assuming that the question was written wrongly. Part C, if x degrees Celsius equals x degrees Fahrenheit, find x. Okay, if they were, and this isn't true in real life, but if they were equal, how would you approach it? So this is how I'd approach it. They're saying x degrees Fahrenheit equals x degrees Celsius. So essentially what it means is F equals x and C also equals x. So essentially you're saying that x equals 9 on 5x plus 32. I'm going to go interactive and solve for x. So you go x, oops, over here, x equals 9 divided by 5, x plus 32. Interactive and solve for x. Okay, x equals negative 40. And so this is for C. For D, if x plus 10 degrees Celsius equals x degrees Fahrenheit, find x. Okay, so for part D, a bit more complicated. Now, if Fahrenheit is x, then Celsius is x plus 10. So you're subbing in x plus 10 for the Celsius part, and you're solving the equation. So you're going x equals 9 divided by 5, x plus 10 plus 32, and I'm going to go interactive and solve. Some of these you can actually do by hand, but I'm being lazy here, I'll just use a calculator. So x equals negative 125 on 2. 5 on 2. Okay. Similar thing here. Okay, so you sub in x for Fahrenheit and 2x for Celsius, and you find the value of x. Okay. Same thing here. Okay, so instead of f, you sub in k, and instead of c, you sub in negative 3k, and you're solving for k. Okay, so that's essentially what we're doing here. We're just manipulating the formula based on what information they give us. Hopefully that helps.